and we've also created ecosystem. It all depends on the regulation. As we don't do finance smart chain contract and Ethereum smart contracts, we will not say no.
So, hello guys, we have Rajesh Dhuddu from the Tech Mahindra. So, we are going to ask few questions like, is they have started the blockchain service provider, and this is the new revolution when the Tech Mahindra are entering into the blockchain service provider. So, I would like to know more about what you guys are going to do, new things, and you can also explain like what are the new things coming into the pipeline by the Tech Mahindra.
Sure, definitely. So Tech Mahindra's blockchain practice has been around for the last 5 years.
Okay.
We have started this pretty much when blockchain was becoming mainstream. We've done a number of implementations in blockchain for global customers. We have developed platforms for customers in banking and financial services. We have developed applications in supply chain management using blockchain. In India, as you know, a lot of people suffer from spam calls and spam texts. So we have developed blockchain-based platform for four largest telecom providers in India. We also partnered with Telecom Regulatory Authority of India to introduce blockchain to fight spam calls and spam texts. In blockchain, we have about 200 people.
Okay.
In working in projects in different parts of the world. And as you can see, we are the only service provider in the world to have been featured in Forbes Blockchain 50, not once, twice, but 3 times. 2021, 2022, and 2023.
That's really great news. And I would like to ask you a few questions about like the blockchain ecosystem. As I know you are working in this industry from the last 5 years, as you have already mentioned. So may I know, like, are you guys are working on your own ecosystem or blockchain, or are you guys using any existing one? Like,
That's a good question because in blockchain ecosystem is important, partner system is important, and then you have to create networks. Blockchain is all about network effects. So what we have done is we don't use public blockchains, because when you use public blockchain, a lot of people have concerns about the security of public blockchain.
Okay.
Information that is stored in the public blockchain is visible to everyone. We use what we call as the private blockchain.
Okay.
We've been early members of Hyperledger Foundation. We have developed a number of applications using Hyperledger Fabric.
Okay.
And we've also created ecosystems. For example, the ecosystem for the telecom providers like Reliance Jio, Vodafone, Idea Cellular. At that point of time, it was separate. And Reliance Communications, Tata Teleservices. That ecosystem was created by us in association with Telecom Regulatory Authority of India.
Okay.
So, we create that kind of ecosystems. We don't have our own blockchain protocols. We have not developed a layer 1 or a layer 2 blockchain protocol, but we use well-established private blockchains, whether it is R3, Corda, whether it is Hyperledger Fabric, whether it is Sawtooth, and those kind of protocols. We take them up and then we develop applications grounds up.
So are you guys are working on the Binance Smart Chain contract and the Ethereum as well?
No, we don't do finance smart chain contract and Ethereum smart contracts. Again, those are based on the public blockchain protocols.
Okay.
So we don't do that. But we develop our own smart contracts from a grounds up perspective using various blockchain protocols. And then we custom develop it for our clients.
Okay.
So our clients are like, large global companies. They are large banks. They will never ever take anything which is available in the public domain.
Okay, sounds good. So I know the concern about the security and the transparency of the tokens and the blockchain EVM system and everything. So I know everything is needed to be separated from the public to the private, because as I know, like the Tech Mahindra is a well-known company. They are doing really great in all other verticals, and they have just started with like 5 years back in the blockchain service provider. So it's quite interesting for me to let the audience know, like guys are doing really great, and we will do more research about it, because everyone is looking like, always audience look for the different meme coins and the
Yeah,
blockchain system, those who are available in the US market
yeah,
and the
yeah,
other market.
yeah.
But they will, I would like to mention about our Asia audience, like the Tech Mahindra is doing, our home-based company is doing really great in the blockchain service provider, and they have not using any public platforms to build everything.
Right.
Because, like for example, if it is everything is available on the public network, so it can be crashed, it can be hacked.
Right.
So that's the main thing. And I would like to know more about like how many blockchain developers are working on the particular projects.
Also, we have many projects. Ever since we established our blockchain practice, we would have trained about 300 people within Techem as
Okay.
blockchain developers. They could be, not just developers; they're full stack developers. They're blockchain coders. There are blockchain architects. And if you have to be successful in blockchain, subject matter expertise is also very important.
Okay.
So if you're developing something for banks, you cannot go to the bank without understanding their industry. So we take those subject matter experts, give them lab projects so that they can build code, they can establish blockchain platforms, they can establish blockchain networks,
Okay.
and learn on the fly. The reason why we don't do anything in the crypto space is, as you know, in India, crypto is not legal. It's neither illegal nor legal. And moment you touch crypto, the regulators will come after you. And Tech Mahindra, being a $7 billion company, working with 1,100 customers in different parts of the world, we cannot do anything that is seen as against regulation.
Okay. I have one more question and
Yeah.
suggestions. Like for example, like as you have own ecosystem, so do you have any plannings when the government is going to legalize everything? So are you going to create your own native token in the future? Is it in the roadmap or not?
Native token, it all depends on the regulation, as you
Yeah.
rightly said. But what we are doing at this point of time is, for example, there is a crypto exchange called Liquid.
Okay.
And for Liquid, we have done a lot of back-end operation systems overall. Because crypto exchange is not just about blockchain technology, right? A crypto exchange requires enterprise business systems. It requires back-end applications. It requires various front-end applications. So tomorrow, Binance or Coinbase comes and tells us, saying that strengthen our back-end or develop our applications, we will not say no. But if they come to us and say develop, coin related, do something in the coin related space, do something in the initial exchange offering space, that we will be bit careful.
Okay, so guys, as you know, like the ICO work and the initial coin offering, and where you can see like there are so many coins available. They will uh, show the airdrops coming into the picture, but they are not have any plan at the moment. Maybe when the regulation comes up with the CBDC and
Yeah.
the India government approves these things, then definitely they are going to work, and they are willing to work for this if the government approves it.
That's
And
great.
this is the main thing. I always let my audience know, like we need to look into the ecosystem before investing into the any of the cryptocurrency tokens or any of the dApps, DeFi, because blockchain service provider will look into the ecosystem, like what are the things we need to work on before launching their tokens or something.
Right.
So that's the main thing. I always let my audience know, like, because do not invest your funds into the any of the cryptocurrency tokens or the any of the service provider, those who are not having any back end or back
Right.
systems.
Right.
And I'm really great to know about like these are the things coming into the picture and the future. And is there anything into the pipeline which is not available in the website or something? Are you going to launch anything coming into the roadmap?
So basically, what we are doing is we are looking at a blockchain as an infrastructure layer. Today, you cannot have smart supply chain management without blockchain. You cannot have smart cybersecurity solutions without blockchain. You cannot have smart identity systems without blockchain. You cannot have smart decentralized finance products without blockchain. So instead of saying blockchain, we are looking at, for example, we have digital supply chain management, where blockchain is an integral part. Focus is not on blockchain. Focus is on a supply chain which is reliable, which does not break, which gives complete visibility. That is what we are looking at it. So we are using blockchain as an intel inside.
Okay, I can see like you have already mentioned like you are collaboration with the banking system, those who are having a good network. So
Right.
majorly you are currently working with the B2B
Correct.
platforms and like
Correct.
B2B networks.
Correct.
So is there any plan for the B2C users, because everyone wants to use our own Asia-based
Yeah.
networks, which is very reliable
Yeah.
because
Maybe when we are looking at something at Mahindra Group wide loyalty program,
okay,
Mahindra Group wide incentive program for the end customers. At that point of time, we'll definitely look at using blockchain so that the coins that are there can be fungible. But we did one interesting thing for Mahindra Group, our parent company. Thar, which is
yeah,
very famous vehicle in
yes,
India. We did 4 NFTs of Thar two
okay,
years ago,
okay.
and one NFT of Thar was sold almost the same price at the physical price of Thar.
That's really amazing. It means like you guys know like these things are coming into the next level, because the NFT is going enter into the metaverse, because currently if you are purchasing the physical car, so you can just use it into the
In the
physical
physical
world.
world.
But when it comes to the NFT, when you are using the metaverse and if you want to drive the Thar into the metaverse, so you just need to buy the NFTs first and then it will go into the metaverse, and this is the main thing. So it was really great to talk to you,
Fantastic.
Rajesh Dudu,
Yeah.
and I
Pleasure.
will let the audience know. You just need to look into it and do more research about what the blockchain service coming into the picture with the Tech Mahindra. And thank you guys. Have a great
Thank
day.
you. Thank you. Pleasure.